Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to remove domain controller manually. Today I just you know depromote the domain controller from the site office, a remote site office, but I find out because this domain controller we create another domain controller like 02 and the other one does not set up the site settings, replicating to other domain controllers. So this means, when I remove one domain controller from the site office, it was demoted successfully, but it's not replicated to the other domain controller in other site office. So I needed to manually delete the domain controller from other site office. Then I needed to, you know, after I do this, I needed to create the connecting, to link the connection to the, for the new domain controller to the other side office. Let's see how can we do this. So you see this one, this TCQ DC01 is already removed, but it's not like, in this main office, still showing as, if I go there, still showing as domain controllers here. If I go refresh DC01 in here. So one thing is in the Active Directory users and computers. The other one is in this one that if I refresh. This domain controller still shows as a domain controller in the Active Directory sites and services. So we needed to remove this one from this Active Directory site and services and also from the Active Directory users and computers. So let's see how can we do this. Normally, I needed to clear the metadata. I just open the command prompt as administrator, and then I run the ntds util. And then in the ntds util, I just run the metadata cleanup. And then I click connecting, connect to the current server. This is the working server of the to the 16 PC. I connect to the server. This is the server name. And then I should be connected to server W2016 PC. And then I just quit this one first. And then I just select target, and then I list domain. There's only one domain here, and then I select domain 0. This number is 0, select domain 0. And then I list the site. There's only one site. I select the site. Select the site number 0. And then I just select the list server inside. There's two servers here. The one I want to delete is TCQDC01. So I need to select this one. I just select, 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 server number is 1. The server 1 is for CCQ DC01. So that's one. And then I need to remove the next server. So it shows the server DC01 is selected. So just remove server, remove. Create this one first, and then remove. So I select, I list the domain, list the size, and then list the server. Then I select the server 0, and then I just remove the selected server. So it asks me, are you sure you want to remove the server object? The server object is saying equals CCQDC01 and saying equals server. This one. This is what I want to remove. I click here. So this one is removed now. And we just close this one. So I return to the command prompt. So if I go back to the XPR site and service, I just refresh. So it shows this one is gone. So let's just go to the top. I just refresh again. Go there. Site, before the site server. We see this one does no, you see normally for the domain controller, this NTDS settings, but for this one, there's no NTDS settings. Now this means the metadata is removed. Also, I just need to remove the server object from this console. Just delete this one. And also in the Active Directory users and computers, I just needed to refresh. I go to domain controller. You see this one is also removed. Before that, there's CCQDC01. Now I, remove this domain controller from this. And then after this is done, because as I said, I have already done the demelt from the site, the site office, or the, 5 master, roles has been migrated to the domain controller file, so I don't worry about it. So after I remove the server from the, the main site office, domain controller, what I need to do is I needed to create the, this one. This one was on the, because the DC01 is gone, so I just needed to delete this one. Don't need this one. So after this, the domain controller is, removed from main office. I needed to create the, connecting between the main office and the, the domain controller in the site office, the new domain controller in site office is CCQ DC02, because I create a new domain controller. Then I need to create a new connection and then, select the new domain controller, click OK, and then duplicate. And then in the new domain controller in the site office, like CCQ DC02, I needed to also create a connection to the main domain controller in the main office. That's all I show you today. Thank you.